Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve exercise 10.5. First question. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. That means at P right angle. If PQ equal to 10 centimeter, PQ 10 centimeter and PR 24 centimeter. So find QR. So write given PQ equal to 10 centimeter, PR 24 centimeter and find QR. QR. By Pythagoras property, hypotenuse, opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse, so QR is hypotenuse. QR, hypotenuse square, is equal to perpendicular QP or PQ. PQ square plus base PR, PR square. QR square is equal to PQ is equal to 10, so 10 square plus 24 square. 10 square is 100 and 24 square is 576. So 676 QR square. QR square. So 676 is square of 26. QR square is equal to 26 square. That means square of 26, 676. So QR is equal to 26 centimeter. Next question. Second, ABC is a triangle right angled at C. That means C 90 degree. If AB is equal to 25 centimeter, AB 25 centimeter, AC 7 centimeter, find BC. Same given, right, given AB equal to 25 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter and calculate BC. BC. By Pythagoras property, hypotenuse is AB square, so AB square is equal to perpendicular AC square plus base is BC square. BC square. AB square given, AB given 25, so 25 square is equal to AC square. AC 7 square plus BC square. 25 square is 625, 7 square 49 plus BC square. After transposition, 49, 625 minus 49 is equal to BC square. 625 minus 49 is equal to BC square. So 625 minus 49, subtract 576 is equal to BC square, and 576 is the square of 24. So BC square is equal to 24 square. BC is equal to 24 centimeter. Question number 3. Find the value of Ax in each of the following figure. All measurement are in centimeter. 29 centimeter, 21 and x. Calculate the value of x. Given 90 degree, opposite side of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras property, hypotenuse 29 square is equal to x square plus 21 square. X square plus 21 square. 29 square is 841 is equal to x square plus 21 square. 21 square is 441. So 841 minus 441 is equal to x square. So subtract, and 400 is equal to x square, and 400 is the square of 20 square is 400. So 20 square is equal to x square. Square to square cancel, or x is equal to 20. Unit given in centimeters, so write here centimeter. Second part, 90 degree given, opposite 90 degree, that means hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base is this. But calculate the value of x. So write here, suppose this one is y, and here suppose z. That means x is equal to y plus z. But 12 perpendicular is common, and hypotenuse also same, 37 and 37. So calculate 1 by Pythagoras property. 37 square, hypotenuse square, perpendicular 12 square, plus base is y, so y square. 37 square is 1369. 12 square is 144 plus y square. Now subtract 1369 minus 144 is equal to y square, or subtract 9 minus 5, 4, 5, 6 minus 4, 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, and 1 is equal to y square. 1225 is square of 35. So 35 square is equal to y square, or y is equal to 35. Now in this triangle also perpendicular 12, hypotenuse 37, that means same portion. Okay? So z equal to also 35, x equal to y plus z, 35 plus 35 is 70. Unit given in centimeters, so write here centimeter. Third part is your homework. Fourth question, which of the following can be the sides of a right angle triangle? In case of right angled, identify the right angle. So longest side is longest side is 7 centimeter. So 7 square is 49, and other two side, sum of other square of other two side, so 4 square plus 5 square. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 16 plus 25, 41. 7 square is not equal to 4 square plus 5 square. So triangle not a right angle triangle. ठीक है, ये जो गिवन साइड्स है नॉट अ राइट एंगल साइड्स ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सेकेंड 1.5 सेंटीमीटर, 2 सेंटीमीटर, 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो लॉन्गेस्ट साइड इज 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो 2.5 स्क्वायर 25 into 25, 625, so 6.25, and sum of square of other two side 1.5 and 2, so 1.5 square plus 2 square. 1.5 is 2.25 plus 4, so 6.25 is equal 2.5 square is equal to 1.5 square plus 2 square is equal. So is a right angle triangle, and classify. In case of right angle triangle, identify the right angle. Right angle, that means opposite side of 2.5 centimeter. because 2.5 is longest side and longest side is always hypotenuse. So opposite of longest side is 90 degree. So here 90 degree at opposite to 2.5 centimeter. Question number 5th. A 15-meter long ladder reaches a window 12-meter high from the ground on placing it against wall. How far is the foot of the ladder from the wall? Is ladder and this one 12-meter high wall. So 90 degree, you have to calculate the distance between the foot of the wall and ladders, distance between them. By Pythagoras property, hypotenuse 15 square is equal to 12 square plus base, suppose this one x, so x square. 15 square is 225 is equal to 144 plus x square. 225 minus 144 is equal to x square. Subtract 225 minus 144. 81 is equal to x square. 81, 9 square is 81. So 9 square is equal to x square. X is equal to 9. So distance between foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 meter. Next question, question number 6. Find the area and the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 15 centimeter and the length of one diagonal is 17 centimeter. So find area and perimeter. For area, length given, we have to calculate breadth of rectangle. So in right angle triangle, opposite of 90 degree hypotenuse, by Pythagoras property, 17 square is equal to, suppose the breadth is x, so x square plus 15 square. 17 square is 289, x square plus 15 square 225. 289 minus 225 is equal to x square. 289 minus 225, 64 is equal to x square. 64 is 8 square is 64. 8 square equal to x square or x equal to 8. That means breadth is 8 centimeter. Now area of rectangle, L into B, length is 15, breadth is 8, so 15 into 8, 120 centimeter square, and perimeter of rectangle, L plus B, 15 plus 8, 2 into 23 or 46 centimeter. Eighth question, the sides of a rhombus is 5 centimeter. Rhombus side given 5 centimeter, all sides are equal. If the length of one diagonal of a rhombus is 8 centimeter, one diagonal 8 centimeter, and find the length of other diagonal, because we know that the length of diagonal or diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90, bisect भी करता है और 90 डिग्री पे bisect करता है. That means 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and here 90 degree, bisect at 90 degree. So opposite 90 degree, hypotenuse, apply Pythagoras property, 5 square is equal to 4 square plus x square. 5 square is equal to 4 square plus x square. 5 square 25, 16 plus x square. So 25 minus 16 equal to x square, 9 equal to x square, 3 square equal to x square, or x is equal to 3. X is 3 centimeter, so half of other diagonals, half part also x. So length of other diagonal 3 plus 3, 6 centimeter. Right, length of diagonal, length of other diagonal (3 plus 3) 6 centimeter. Thank you.